Hi friends, this is Nagaya Siramat. I'm working as assistant professor in electronics and communication department. The main objective of this video is I'm going to explain what is off adder, what is the operation of off adder, what is the truth table of off adder, what is the circuit diagram. Then we'll simulate the half adder circuit diagram with the help of Verilog program. First we'll see what is off adder. So here I consider one bit off adder. The one bit in the sense 2 to the power of 1. 2 to the power of n, that is n value is 1 bit. So 2 to the power of 1 is 2. So we have two input values. Two input values A, B. So with respect to two input value, for off adder, for addition operation, we will get two output. One is called as sum, represented as variable s. For carry, I represent as C. So you will get the two output variables sum and carry for input A and B. Okay. So for two input, so if you see the truth table for this off adder, for two input 2 to the power of 2, four combinations will get. The first combination 0 0, second combination 0 1, third combination 1 0, fourth combination 1 1. For 0 0, 0 plus 0, sum is 0 and carry is 0. For 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. For 1 plus 1, binary addition, 1 plus 1 is output is 0, that is sum is 0, carry will be 1. Please remember 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. So we got the truth table for the 1 bit off adder. So now if you want to obtain the circuit diagram for this 1 bit off adder, first we have to write the expression for output variables. That is for sum we got here 1 because of input A is 0, B is 1. For this one A is 1, B is 0. So we can write sum equals to, for this one we can write A bar B. A bar is, we have A 0, that's why I consider 0 as A bar, and B is 1, so it will be 1 A bar B. So I can write expression sum equals to A bar B plus one more is, this is 1 because A and this is B bar, so AB bar. So we got the expression for sum equals to A bar B plus AB bar. Similarly, for carry, when we are getting carry in the last combination 1, that is 1 1. So it will be carry equals to A into B. So A. So we can in the sum expression we can minimize this expression as A XOR B, because this expression A bar B plus AB bar is similar to XOR, two input XOR gate expression. So we can write it as A XOR B, A cap B. Okay. So then for carry we are getting 1 because of A is 1, B is 1. So we can write carry equals to A into B, that is AB. So now we got the expression. With respect to this expression, we can obtain the circuit diagram. So this is the circuit diagram. I have the two input A, B. So I need sum, that is XOR, A XOR B. So I consider one line A, another one is B. I put the XOR gate and we got sum equals to A XOR B. Similarly for carry, A into B. So I consider one line A, another one is B. So the product A into B and gate. So you'll get the carry equals to AB. Okay. So this is the circuit diagram. Now we'll see Verilog program for this off adder. Now we'll see the what is the Verilog program for the half adder. So module name I consider as half adder. AB sum carry. AB are the input, A comma B, sum and carry for the output variables. In the next line I have to separate which are the constraints are input and output. So input AB are the inputs, I represented input A comma B. Similarly output sum comma carry. Then what is the main operation? So that is sum equals to A XOR B. So assign sum equals to, in the bracket, A cap B, that is A XOR B operation. So here operator is cap, that is XOR operation for Verilog program. And similarly for carry, assign carry equals to in the bracket A ampersand B, that is A into B. So this is the main operation takes place in the off adder. So then end the end model. So now you understood what is off adder, what is the operation of adder, what is the expression, what is the circuit diagram, and also what is the Verilog program. Now we'll discuss how the Verilog program will execute. Just I will minimize this. Here I have the ISC design shoot 14.5. Just I will open the software, that is Xilinx software. Here just press OK, go to file, new project, give the project name. I will give as HALADD. Press next, next, finish. Then go to project, new source. Here select the Verilog model, give the file name. I'll give same file name as HALADD. Press next, press next, press finish. So now here in the program window, you got the syntax of the program. Just as I explained the program, just I will copy paste the program here. So in the constraints, so I'll write A comma B comma sum comma carry and ended with semicolon. So after typing your program, just save it by using save button here, and then go under implementation, select your file HALADD and check for the syntax. Go under synthesize XST. So double click on check syntax. It checks for few seconds to check the syntax of your program. It verifies the spelling of the words and also the semicolon, comma, everything with respect to the syntax. It won't check for the logic. So you have to concentrate on logic of the program. Okay, then see we got the right mark, so there is no errors. Then go under simulation. Then select your file. Go under iSim simulator. Double click on behavioral check syntax. Double click on simulate behavioral model. So now it opens the output window. There we can verify the output waveform with respect to the input variable value. Okay. So here this is the output window. See, with respect to our constraints A, B, sum and carry. So here we have to give the input values. So right click on A, force constant, select force constant. I'll give the value, first A value 0, and I'll give cancel after time offset, that is x-axis time period. I'll give 2, apply, okay, and I'll give B value, force constant, B value also I'll give 0 and time elapsed 2, apply, okay. Here you have the run option, so just click on run. You can get the output waveform here. See, A is 0, B is 0, you got sum is also 0, carry is also 0. See, A is 0, B is 0, sum also 0, carry is also 0. So next combinations, I will give A value, A 0 and time elapsed 2, apply, okay. Then I will give for B value, force constant, I will give B is 1 and time elapsed I'll give 2, apply, okay. So just I will run the option. You can see in the second combination A is 0, B is 1, you got sum is 1, carry is 0. So 0 plus 1, sum is 1. You can see here 0 plus 1, sum is 1 and carry is 0. So that is second combination. I will go for third combination. Select the force constant. I will give A value now 1 and time period 2, apply, okay, and B force constant, I will give B value is now 0 and time elapsed 2, apply, okay, run the option. So you can see in the third combination we got A is 1, B is 0. So 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. Is it clear? So then last combination, A also 1, A is 1, and time elapse 2, apply, okay, and B value was constant, B value also 1, I'll give time elapse 2, apply, okay. So then I will run the option. In the last fourth combination, you can see here A is 1, B is 1. So 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. You can see 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. Is it clear? This is the fourth. Just you can hold this yellow line and keep it on this. You can get the particular digital value also here. Okay. All the four combinations I represented here. Is it clear? If you like this, please share my if you like this, please share to your friends and also subscribe my channel. Thank you once again. Thank you very much.